Hi, welcome to Geojitspotlight. If you're an NRI and you would like to invest in Indian companies listed in the Indian Stock Exchange, it might seem very difficult. But if you know the regulations and the prerequisites of the Indian market, it may not be that difficult. We have here with us our NRI head, Mr. R.K. Ranjan. Hi, sir.
Thank you, Nitla.
When an NRI wants to invest in the Indian Stock Exchange, what are the basic requirements that they need to be aware of?
An NRI has to have an NRI savings bank account and an NRI PAS account with any bank in India with whom Geojit has tied up, with whom we have an automated arrangement. These are the prerequisites as far as bank accounts are concerned. Apart from that, an NRI also needs to open a demat account and a trading account with Geojit.
There are a set of documents that is required for opening an NRI account. Can you please list out a few?
An NRI needs to submit copies of his passport, copies of his visa, copy of his PAN card, and we mandatorily require his overseas address proof, which can be in the form of a bank statement, his overseas bank statement, or his utility bills, or any of those documents. NRI who holds a foreign passport, along with his overseas passport, he also needs to submit a PIO card or an OCA card that he holds, or a valid visa issued by India for his visits to India. Apart from this, he needs to submit a PAS permission letter, which is issued by any bank in India where NRI holds a PAS account. He also needs to submit any address proof. If he wants his Indian address as his corresponding address, he also needs to submit any document of his Indian address as a proof of address. These are the documents required, and if it is an NRO account, then he needs to submit check or a statement of his bank account.
It is a regulatory requirement to do the in-process verification. So can you please describe as to how it is being done for an NRI person?
When an NRI is in India and he plans to open an account with any of our branches in India, he can very well walk into any of the branches of Geojit. They would verify all the documents, get the application form signed, and they would do the process. When they are abroad and still wants to open their trading account and a demat account with any of the branches in India, what they can do is they need to send us scanned images of the booklet, duly filled and signed, along with KYC documents that has been attested by any of the authorities out there. It can be either an Indian embassy in that foreign country, or it can be a notary public who is available in that foreign country, or it can be any representative of an Indian bank who is available there, or they can get it done by a judge or a court official who is authorized to do that. These are the basic way by which they can get their KYC documents attested. After sending scanned images of the application form and the KYC documents, they can courier it to the respective branch, and the branch would process the same.
And also, when an NRI wants to open an account, what is the process of doing it?
Any NRI has got multiple options of opening their trading account and demat account at Geojit. We have offices in 4 foreign countries, that is UAE, Oman, Kuwait, and Bahrain. If an NRI is based out of any of these 4 countries, they can very well open their trading account and their demat account with any of our offices located in these 4 countries. If they plan to open it in India, we do have 500 odd branches and locations spread across the country where they can open their trading and demat account if they plan to open it in India.
So by now you would have understood that it is a very easy task for an NRI to open a trading and a demat account. If you have the basic requirements that is mentioned in this video, an NRI can easily open a trading and a demat account. Thank you.